Hi guys, it's Sylvia and welcome to day 11 of our Excel for Beginners series. Now, last class we looked at the min and max function. I explained to you guys how to get the list and the highest value in the set of range. So today we'll be looking at the average function. This is quite simple. So understanding average. The average function returns the mean value of selected numbers. We know that our basic mean formula of, so Excel help us to you know, get our mean value just by typing in the formula. So the syntax is very simple. First to average and then select your range. And then average adds all the values together and divide them by the number of values in our basic mathematics. So let's jump right into our data set. I'll still be using the data set from our last class. So I'll urge you guys to keep this data set because we'll use it throughout this particular topic. Yeah. So to get our average function, it's very simple. Type our formula. Remember I told you in Excel, if you want to type in a formula, you must start with an equals to. So equals to, then I type in my average, I double click it, and I select my range. This is my range, January. I close it and then I click enter. See? So for the next one, same thing, average. I double click it, select my range, and then I close it. I click enter. So I just come here, and just auto fill it to get my average. So that is it for average. I would love you guys to, practice it very well. And then in our next class, we'll be looking at the count function. Stay tuned.